Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off subtitles or closed captions on YouTube. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, method one, turning off captions on the current video. Well, just go ahead and tap on pause right here on the video. Again, tap on pause, and then just basically find CC. Okay, highlighted will be enabled, and tick it again, it'll be disabled. All right. So make sure that it got the clear background. Well, that means it is disabled. Now, method two is by disabling automatic captions permanently, which is under our account settings. So go ahead and go back, just like so. Back again until you find your profile. Just tap on it. And then go ahead over to the gear icon. Just tap on it once more. And then once done, just basically find captions. Right here under video and audio preferences. Just tap on it, show captions, disable this one, and after that, you should be good to go. That's how simple it is to turn off subtitles or closed captions on YouTube. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.